In this video, I'm going to show you how to detect if the caps lock key is enabled with the input field. In this example, I will create an input field with a type of password. Let's add a paragraph element that will hold the warning text. Next, open script elements to create the JavaScript. Let's add variables for our input and text elements. Add an event listener key up on the input field with a function that only runs when you focus or click on the input field. Inside this function, we are adding a condition if the getModifierState method with the modifier key of caps lock is true. If the keyboard caps lock key is enabled, add a class to the warning text element show. Or else, remove the class called show. Then, let's create a CSS. Add display none as the default warning text style. And finally, add a display block if the warning element has a class of show.